Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to properly wax your car to prepare it for winter or summer, whatever the seasons are. So to get started, you need to take your car through a wash and get all the dirt and stuff off of it. If you don't have a car wash, you can use a microfiber towel and just give it a good wipe down. And then after that, you want to get some wax. So I recommend wax with Carnauba. This Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus is really good to apply. It's very simple. I'll just do a small section right here. You put some wax on the applicator pad and then in a circular motion, put the wax all around the car in a nice even coat. You can see here it's on there, right there. So that's step one. Go around the entire car, little by little, rubbing the wax on everything. So we'll come back as soon as I have the wax on the entire car for the next step. Okay guys, so here we are. I've got the wax applied to the entire vehicle, a process which took about 45 minutes. You want to remember to get everything possible, so don't forget about the roof, the bumpers, even if they're plastic. You can even do your headlights. So you can see that the car looks like it's got all kinds of swirls all over it. That is the wax. So the next step is to apply this and really rub it in. So you're going to get a nice microfiber cloth, clean, and simply take it and just rub back and forth in circles is best. But I'll just do a little section, and now you can see the difference. Look at how nice and shiny that is. The sun reflects it, you can really see it. We'll do this spot here too. And check it out. Look at that, like a brand new car. So I'm going to take about a half hour and rub out the whole car and then come back and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, here it is. Car has been fully wiped down, waxed and everything. You can tell by the shine. I left a little spot right here on the door so you can kind of see the difference. Here it's nice, good. You can see the metallic. You can see that looks just like the road right there, but it's the car. And there is the wax. So this is the final spot. Just get it all wiped off. And there we go. That rag is pretty dirty, but you can tell we've got a really nice, clean, shiny looking car. That's not a tree, that's the hood. So it looks good, but that is it. How to wax your car with Carnauba Plus wax. So make sure you get the good wax, get a nice applicator pad, and a good microfiber cloth. Now I hope you like this video. If you do, click that like button down there. Also subscribe to the channel, and if you feel so inclined, use the support links to donate in the description below. Thank you.